The wrap-up. We've covered many of the fast action methods of monetizing your blog. The next step is to begin to generate traffic using social marketplaces. Blog-based communities like www.technorati.com and www.mybloglog.com, and to consistently grow your website's presence and position within your niche market. One of the key factors of developing a successful blog is in staying consistently active. You need to update your website regularly, respond to comments, and work towards offering an interactive community for those within your market. The more active and consistent you are, the easier it will be to build awareness and generate fresh leads and subscribers every day. Keep it fresh, fun, and profitable. Now get blogging. Over the years, blogging has been a widely popular strategy used by both seasoned pros and new entrepreneurs alike as a method of generating instant cash while building an online brand quickly and easily. With blogging, there is no steep learning curve, and all coding, HTML, and web development is minimized, allowing even the novice of users to create feature-laden, enhanced websites in a matter of minutes. It's therefore no real surprise that every day thousands of new blogs appear online, plugging into built-in popularity of platforms like WordPress and Blogger. In fact, according to www.technorati.com, who tracks over 113 million blogs online within their free community, there are over 175,000 new blogs published each and every day. From within those blogs, over 1.6 million new posts are submitted online, which equates to about 18 new posts every second of the day. Pretty impressive stats. It's obvious that blogging can be exceptionally lucrative, regardless of industry or niche, and with such a fast-track method of building entire websites with a few clicks of the mouse, it's also one of the easiest methods of developing an online presence with very little effort or startup costs. In fact, with a single domain name and a hosting account, you can have your very own dynamic website, complete with all the bells and whistles, while only spending a few minutes building, customizing, and optimizing every square inch. In the internet marketing world, names like Scott Allen and Yaro Starak have attracted attention, providing an ongoing case study into the world of profitable and professional blogging. People have replicated the format that people like Scott, Yaro, and countless other high-paid blogging professionals have used to jumpstart their own networks and capitalize on the popularity of blogging. So, how can you set up your own profitable blogging network using existing tools and resources online, while sucking in consistent, targeted traffic that will convert into buyers? It all starts here. In this Blogging Guru video series, you will discover exactly how to construct your own high-profit blog from the ground floor up, so that it is fully optimized and targeted to your niche. Even if you've never done it before, just by following my step-by-step formula to creating fully monetized blogs using proven strategies, you can begin to make money in a matter of a few short days. It's an exciting opportunity to finally take control of your own financial future. So without further delay, let's get right to it. Finding your niche market. Every website needs a focus, and every blog needs a theme. In order to develop an active community of your own, before you begin setting up your blog, you need to determine what your overall objective and goals will be, along with your intended focus. Many bloggers make the mistake of jumping right into the development phase, eager and excited about the possibilities of creating the next big website or igniting a popular community based on their current interests or niche markets. But what they fail to do is thoroughly evaluate a niche's profitability before they spend time creating a website around it. Before you even register a domain name or set up hosting, you should identify what your market is so that you can develop a website from the ground floor up, focusing on a specific target audience. By doing this, you will be able to construct a website that centers around an existing group of buyers, people who will visit your website frequently to explore new content, updates, and purchase products from your featured sponsors and advertisers. Niche research is exceptionally easy, even if you haven't done it before. Just by using existing tools and resources online, you will be able to determine the viability of a market quickly and easily. One fast-track strategy of exploring potential niche topics is by using the Google Trends tool, available at www.google.com/trends. With Google Trends, you are able to keep your ear to the ground and determine common trends, hot topics, and popular subject matter. Another great method of combining both market research and product research is by using the ClickBank Marketplace, available at www.clickbank.com. Within just a few minutes of browsing potential categories, not only can you come up with a profitable market, but you can create a swipe file of high-end affiliate products that you can promote throughout your blog network. Two birds with one stone. Visit www.clickbank.com and click on the Marketplace tab to load up the available category options. If you are already considering a specific niche market, you can browse through current products and keep notes of the ones that interest you, so you can explore them later when we begin to add affiliate products to specific areas of our blog. In my example, I have entered in keyword phrase wedding planning, as I intend to create a blog on this topic. I used quotations around my keywords to ensure that it brings up more accurate results. Very important, otherwise anything using the keyword wedding or planning would appear. After viewing the Marketplace results window, I can then click on the Create Hoplink link and generate a custom affiliate link to use on my blog. If you are unsure of the topic you want your blog to be focused on, simply spend some time browsing through the categories and subcategories to get an idea of what is currently selling. When it comes to ready-made promotional material that you can use on your blog, most merchants will provide promotional resources, including banner ads, email ads, and even articles. So always check the merchant's website for additional tools that you can use in promotions. When you begin to scout out solid affiliate products to promote, you want to pay attention to a few factors, including the commission percentage you are being offered, the price of the product itself, the freshness of the product, based on when it was released to avoid market saturation, the demand of the product, and ultimately how well the product converts a visitor into a buyer. The gravity rating in clickbank.com is an estimate of the most recent sales for a particular product. The higher the gravity rating, the more popular the product is among affiliates who are promoting it. That's the critical aspect of selecting a product to promote within clickbank.com. You always want to ensure that the product you are promoting actually converts, so that you are using valuable space so that it maximizes your income. An example of a high-gravity product found within ClickBank Marketplace could be titled, "Convert your car to burn water and gasoline equals double your mileage." You can see the gravity in the green link located below the title reads 521.18. Scout out the marketplace for higher gravity products to promote. Typically, when you do such a general search, the products with higher gravity will appear first in search results. There are other affiliate marketplaces that can help you both in selecting a niche topic and in locating additional products to promote. Some of these marketplaces include AssociatePrograms.com, CJ.com, ShareSale.com, ClickBank.com, and Pay.com.com. Just be sure to take notes of the products that you intend to promote so that you can refer to your swipe file later when we begin to add in affiliate products once our blog has been developed. Your keyword swipe file. Now that you have an idea of what your niche market and overall focus will be, it's time to create a keyword swipe file that can be used within your content, optimization, and in generating targeted traffic to your website. Keyword research is a critical part of the process, and those who overlook it end up spending time and money building websites that rank poorly in the search engines, finding it impossible to generate traffic to, or worse, there is no existing customer base for the topic they choose. If you are new to the idea of all this, rest assured that the process is actually incredibly simple, and better yet, by following this step-by-step action plan, you will be able to create as many different keyword lists as you need in a matter of minutes. Keyword research will also help you identify whether a niche market is large enough to be a viable theme for your blog, and by knowing what people are typing into the search engines and searching for, you can create content around those requests, making it exceptionally easy to pull in organic traffic from the search engines. Think about how much easier it would be to generate traffic to your website if you know exactly what kind of content your target audience is looking for, and what products or services they are likely to purchase once they've landed on your website. What you need to do. 1. Your objective is to chisel down into your niche market and determine what people are actively entering into the search engines. You need to be as focused as you can so that you have a solid list of keywords to use in your blog's content, as well as within title tags, headlines, and overall optimization. 2. You need to know the volume of each specific search phrase, which is basically the number of people who are searching for specific keywords each day or month. And 3. You need to know whether a niche market is too competitive or if there is room for your website within the market. If you find that a topic is extremely competitive, ranking for specific keywords might be impossible. So while you want to get involved in a profitable, expansive market, you want to make sure that it isn't too competitive. A good rule of thumb when conducting research for possible keyword phrases that you can use on your site and within your marketing campaigns is to locate keyword phrases that generate at least 300 searches per month and have 75,000 competing results or less in Google.com. It all begins by using free tools and resources found online, including keyword evaluation tools such as WordTracker, KeyCompete, or Google's free keyword utility available at adwords.google.com. Sit down with your favorite spreadsheet program and brainstorm for ideas on keyword phrases that you believe would target your market. Write down every relevant keyword, whether you believe it will be overly competitive or not. Include it in your list. Think of related terms for your primary keywords as well. For example, if you were using the keyword online coaching, think of other words that could substitute, including coaching programs, mentoring programs, training programs, tutor, online lessons, guides, courses, and so on. This will provide you with a broader keyword list quickly and easily. Once you have a rough draft of potential keywords, visit adwords.google.com to conduct a more in-depth evaluation of the phrases contained on your list. For example, if I enter in wedding planning as my seed keyword and click on the Get Keywords Ideas link, this generates an extensive listing. The AdWords Google Keyword Suggestion tool allows you to enter in a keyword or phrase from a possible niche that you are considering so that you can evaluate existing competition, active keywords based on popularity and overall use. The first column provides you with alternative keyword phrases that you could use within your content as well as with search engine optimization or promoting your product within PPC marketplaces. The second column indicates the level of competition, which is helpful in locating keywords that aren't as widely used and will be easier to rank for. The third column indicates the estimated number of searches for each particular keyword based on monthly volume. Create your swipe file so that it includes 10 to 20 keywords, both primary phrases and long-tail keyword phrases, that you will use when optimizing your blog and in creating content for your website itself. How to set up your blog. WordPress provides a very detailed step-by-step guide on installing their script on your server, so I'm not going to go into detail about the technical aspects of setting up your site. You can download the installation documentation from their website itself. Instead, I am going to cover quick optimization once you have established your niche market and overall blog theme. To begin, you need to make sure that you choose a domain name that represents your topic, preferably implementing keywords that are relevant to your target audience. Visit instantdomainsearch.com and enter in keyword phrases to instantly determine whether a domain is available. This tool will save you time as it pulls data from the ICANN database to determine whether your domain name is available as you type it in. Things to avoid: domains with multiple hyphens, domains containing numbers, domains starting with words like the, this, that, or a, domains that are difficult to spell, domains that are over 30 characters, extensions other than .com, .net, or .org. You will also need a hosting account, and you can set one up quickly at www.hostgator.com. See Baby Plan for an affordable hosting account that will get you started. It's very important that you set up a professional hosting account rather than housing your blog on a free platform such as on Blogger.com or WordPress.com. Housing your own domain and hosting account has several real advantages to you. First, it opens up opportunities to you for advertising and sponsorships. It also negates the risk that your blog will be removed by the hosting provider without notice, as many people have experienced throughout the years when hosting their websites on free servers. Having your own domain and having it hosted with a reputable company is an investment in your blogging business and puts the control back into your hands so that you are fully responsible for its content, its features, and have the ability to do whatever you want with your blog based on your current focus and market. And finally, registering your own unique domain name gives you branding power and the ability to establish an online presence easier, as people will get to know you and what you are offering through the domain name and online identity that you create. When installing your blog software, you will want to place it in your root directory so that it's accessible whenever someone enters in your domain name directly into their browser. Example: www.yoursite.com rather than www.yoursite.com/blog. Once you have WordPress installed on your server, you will want to customize the look and feel of your site. There is a never-ending supply of free WordPress themes available online, all of which are featured on different website directories, such as wordpress.org/extend/themes, freewpthemes.com, themelab.com, and fresheasy.com. In order to position yourself within the search engines, you need to ensure that you fully optimize your blog. Thankfully, with WordPress, this process is exceptionally easy. To start, you'll want to change your permalink structure so that your URLs are search engine friendly. Permalinks help your website rank better in the search engines because, when set up properly, they will include your individual post's title and keywords. From within your WP admin panel, click on Settings and under Permalinks choose Custom and enter the following line: /% category %/% postname %/. In addition to customizing the look of your blog, you can also choose to add plugins to your WordPress blog. Plugins are extensions of the blog platform and make your blog more interactive and often easier to manage. Here are the plugins that I recommend you should install when you first set up your WordPress blog: All-in-One SEO Pack, Google XML Sitemap, Related Posts Plugin, and Google Analytics. This plugin is useful for reviewing the stats of your blog and viewing any patterns regarding your traffic. It has a wide range of features that will enable you to have a complete traffic breakdown. When it comes to optimizing your blog so that it ranks within the search engines, The actual content of your blog itself should always incorporate your primary keyword phrases both within the body content and the title tags. Example: if I were writing an article on traffic generation, I would use these keywords within my blog post, such as traffic generation tips, and then within the article itself, I would use the keywords top 10 traffic generation tips. Whenever you write your title, always try to include your primary keyword at least once in the title and once in the body content. You will also want to use your primary keyword in your blog's title itself, what people see in their browser navigation bar when they visit your site. To begin, log into your WordPress admin panel and click on the Settings tab. Under General Settings, make sure that you enter in your blog title and tagline. For your blog title, do not just enter in your domain name, but instead focus on entering in keywords that relate to the theme of your blog based on the content you intend to create. For example, if I was creating a blog that focused on the scrapbook niche, my blog title might be something like this: Traffic Generation Secrets, Top Tips for Bloggers. Just the same, my tagline would also incorporate my keywords. Example: traffic generation, traffic strategies, website traffic tips for bloggers, etc. You should always try to have categories set up for each main subject of your blog. For example, if you are running an internet marketing blog, you could have categories and subcategories featuring article marketing, search engine optimization, traffic generation, info product creation, and blogging. Another very important tip is to use anchored text links within your content, rather than post the direct link itself, so that you can rank for specific keywords rather than just your website's domain. For example, if I wrote an article featuring information on traffic tips for bloggers, instead of placing a link like this, www.traffictipsforbloggers.com, I would use anchor text, so it appeared like this: read the top traffic tips for bloggers. Use anchor text when linking externally, as well as to other pages on your website, to consistently build your ranking for individual keyword phrases based around your blog's theme or niche. When it comes to the length of your blog posts, try to stay between 300 to 500 words. You should also focus on using different page titles for each post, and avoid using the same keyword at the start of every page title as well. You should also keep in mind that Google only displays the first 70 characters of your blog page titles within search results, so be sure to include your most important keywords within each title and keep it trimmed down so that you are only focusing on the most relevant keywords for your niche market. The final step is to ensure that your blog is included within the major search engines. In order to do this, click on the Setting tab from within your blog's administration panel and click the link that indicates your blog will be visible to everyone, including search engines. Click Save Changes to complete this step. Now that your blog is fully optimized, it's time to add in cache magnets so that once your website launches, you can begin to generate income immediately. How to make money from your blog. When it comes to monetizing your blog, there is no shortage of options available to you. From AdSense to other sponsor-based and advertising networks, to adding in affiliate products so that each time a visitor reads an article posted on your blog, you can push related products through your affiliate link. To start, you should focus on a blend of both highly targeted advertisements and affiliate products. As your blog grows, you can continue to monetize it using alternative options, including direct paid sponsors, and even being paid for reviewing websites and product launches. When it comes to Google AdSense, you want to make sure that you customize the ad blocks that appear on your website so that they match the look and feel of your existing theme. You also need to pay attention when choosing the types of advertisements that will appear on your blog. focusing on the actual ad networks and channels so that you can monitor your progress, tweaking the ads if you need to in order to maximize their exposure. With Google AdSense, you are paid either by CPM or CPC, depending on the actual advertisement type you choose. When registering for a Google AdSense account, your website will need to be manually approved by Google before you are able to begin featuring advertisements on it. It usually takes less than 3 days to be approved. However, in order to create your account, you will be required to have an existing Google-related account such as Gmail or Orkut. Choosing ad sizes. I find the large square ads tend to get the most clicks. I usually use the 250 by 250 square ads, or the 300 by 250 medium rectangle. However, the larger 336 by 280 large rectangle ad size, if you have the space on your site to fit such a large advertisement block. Regardless of the sizes you choose, you should make sure that one of your advertisement blocks appears in the top fold of your blog's theme, so it is attached to every page on your site. If you have a very large sidebar, one of the square or rectangle ads may fit and are great for filling in space, with text wrapping around them. Try these ads within the body content itself for best results. This placement is one of the highest converting AdSense placements available. You might be able to place the 728 by 90 leaderboard ad at the top or bottom of your blog. This is a great ad size to use if your theme can easily be altered to accept this ad size. In your sidebar, there are a few options you can choose. You can use one or more of the 125 by 125 button ads. You could also use one of the skyscraper ads. These are the tall, thin banners that come in 120 by 600 and 160 by 600. The 160 by 600 will probably get more clicks out of these two skyscraper ads, but it may not fit in your sidebar. The 468 by 60 ad size is generally thought of as being an inferior ad type because of the fact that people have become banner blind to anything this size on a web page. Personally, this size works well for me when placed at the bottom of each post. You should test the different size options on your blog, making sure that your advertisements don't take away from the content of your site itself and will not distract potential visitors. My personal top-performing AdSense ads. 1. 336 by 280, 300 by 250, and 250 by 250 rectangles in line with the content, on the left at the top of every post with the text wrapping around it. 2. 728 by 90 leaderboard at the top or bottom of the blog, and 3. A 160 by 600 skyscraper in the sidebar. Make sure there are never more than 3 content ads per page. It's against the AdSense TOS to have more than 3 of these ads on any given page. A useful plugin that helps you manage your advertisements, ensuring that you never break AdSense TOS, is available with AdSense Deluxe. It will even allow you to make global changes to your AdSense ads, so if you need to change colors or sizes, you can simply do so in the admin area and the changes will be site-wide. When choosing your AdSense AdBlock color scheme, match the colors and blend in the ads so that they aren't intrusive and integrate with your existing theme. There is an alternative to Google AdSense that you might want to consider as well, available through the AdBright network. AdBright offers a smaller variety of advertising channels. However, it's a great way to set up your own price structure based on the exposure and space that you are able to offer to potential advertisers. Burst Media, available at burstmedia.com, is yet another option to consider, offering a rather large community of potential advertisers to choose from. However, their requirements are strict in terms of the quality of websites and blogs that are allowed to participate in their network. In some cases, you will need to first establish consistent traffic to your website prior to signing up for their advertising service. Chitika. Chitika is a very popular advertising channel for bloggers, and you can explore their options at their website, chitika.com, as is Contera, that offers the flexibility of on-site advertisements as well as exit pop-ups. Visit Contera.com for details. Here are a few other advertising resources that I have personally used to quickly monetize my blog's ad space. AdAgency1.com. AdAgency1 connects advertisers with publishers. This is definitely not for low-traffic blogs. Blogs are subject to approval. In addition, the blogger must own the domain. They have limited general categories and are geared more toward business and industry. They pay CPM at 70%. PogAds.com. PogAds is a viable alternative to Google AdSense. It offers a lot of the same features as AdSense. PogAds is non-selective on the type of blogs that it will advertise on. They pay via pay-per-click. PayPopup.com. The pay is CPM and 5% of referrals incomes. Oxado.com. Oxado provides ads from well-known names. They have ad matching for geographic locations and non-English phrases. They allow switching from text ads to graphic ads and back again to help maximize ad revenue. Hyperbidder.com. Hyperbidder is an auction website that connects advertisers to publishers. The service is free to publishers. They offer video ads and the support to establish them on the blog. This only works with blogs that have the capacity for video ads and may not work for bloggers who post on a service. Check with the blog service requirements before attempting this service. They pay PPC. AzoogleAds.com. Azoogle ads have a large base of well-known companies. Bloggers are subject to approval, and all information is verified by telephone. Applications that cannot be verified by telephone are denied. It can take up to 2 weeks to receive a reply. They have a good support system, and ads can be placed immediately after approval. They pay by CPM. TextLinkAds.com. With TextLink ads, you feature groups of advertisements on your blog in a similar method that you do with AdSense. You are paid every time a visitor clicks on a link, regardless if they purchase anything from the advertiser or not. Once you have determined the advertising network that you are going to integrate into your blog, be sure to add at least 2 to 3 ad blocks along the right navigation menu as well as within the actual content itself. You can continue to implement advertising as you fill your blog with fresh content and develop your overall structure and categorization. Next, we are going to add in affiliate products based on the networks and marketplaces you have previously evaluated when choosing your niche. You want to make sure to balance out the amount of fresh content that you feature on your blog with the advertising and affiliate products that you use. Remember, you want people to return to your blog as a source of high-quality content, not to feel as though your website is one large advertisement. Finally, there are additional methods of monetizing your blog apart from traditional advertising networks and affiliate products, and that is with blog-specific networks, including the following. Widgetbucks at widgetbucks.com. Widgetbucks integrates WordPress, Blogger, Typepad, and movable type. Just sign up and add the widget to your blog. AdBright at adbright.com. AdBright is a popular advertising service that enables people who visit your blog to purchase advertising space from you. ValueClick at valueclick.com. ValueClick offers a wide variety of advertising services that enable bloggers to earn money from visitors who click on their site ads. Bidvertiser at bidvertiser.com. Bidvertiser enables bloggers to earn money by adding a Bidvertiser widget, AdBox, to their website. Since Bidvertiser is a cost-per-click advertising system, bloggers generate revenue from visitor clicks. Feedo at Feedo.com. Feedo pays you to place ads in your syndicated content. They use their in-house RSS ad server to deliver ads alongside your content. ClickSoar at clicksoar.com. ClickSoar will pay bloggers up to 60% of all advertising revenue generated in exchange for placing contextual ads on blog pages. Tribal Fusion at tribalfusion.com. Vibrant Media at vibrantmedia.com. RevResponse at revresponse.com. You can also choose to jumpstart your blog by accepting blog-based assignments and projects. Also a great way to begin generating traffic to your blog. Here are a few resources that I have been successful with, and other places you may want to take a look through. blogjobs.biz, onlinewritingjobs.com, freelanceswitch.com, ifreelance.com, monster.com, blogger.com, and aboutfreelancing.com. Simply Hired at simplyhired.com. Simply Hired is a job search site in which bloggers can search specifically for blogging jobs. It is not as straightforward a connection, but there are numerous jobs posted. Jobster at jobster.com. Jobster is a more general job search site, but a number of blogger jobs are available for application. They are listed from the most recent. They have a smaller listing of jobs available. And finally, Blogger Jobs at bloggerjobs.com. This is a job search site that specializes in blog-based freelance projects. They have a long list of well-known clients. Maximizing your blogging revenue. You've developed your blog and integrated your advertising network. You've plugged in relevant affiliate products and hopefully created at least 10 blog posts while setting up your categories. It's now time to integrate yet another critical element to a successful blog, your autoresponder. If you currently don't have an autoresponder, you can sign up for one at getresponse.com or at aweber.com. An autoresponder will help you grow a targeted mailing list of active subscribers that you can send broadcasts and promotions to, as well as encourage repeat traffic to your blog by sending out frequent updates and fresh, high-quality content. Apart from the autoresponder service itself, all you need to completely integrate an opt-in box into your blog is a free autoresponder plugin at www.codebanter.com. Giveaway. You can use private label or resell Write content to offer potential subscribers with a free report or ebook in exchange for joining your list. Once you begin to generate traffic to your website, you will be able to capture your visitors' information so that in the event they don't purchase a product or click through your ads on their first visit, you'll be able to encourage them to return to your website each time you post new material. Just make sure that you integrate your opt-in box into the header or side column of your template so that it's visible on every page of your blog. You can also begin to build RSS subscribers using the free services of feedburner.com. Feedburner is an RSS publisher. By subscribing your blog to Feedburner, you will receive a small snippet of code that you can add to your blog. This will advertise your RSS feed to all of your visitors. In addition, as a Feedburner subscriber, you are able to instantly check your stats and other important statistical data about your blog. Your Feedburner stats will play an important part in keeping your advertising efforts well managed and being able to see just how well your blog is doing. Feedburner offers information pertaining to your blog, including circulation, how many RSS subscribers you have, readership, what RSS readers people are using, and uncommon uses, other services and sites that are using your feed. You can also upgrade your account to include additional information, such as how many people viewed your RSS feed or clicked on content contained within your feed. Another way to add value to your website while monetizing it even further is by integrating Amazon's A-Store into your blog's template itself. Amazon is an excellent affiliate program to promote for physical products. They also have a new system called A-Store that is an option provided to you when you join the Amazon Associates program. With an A-Store, you can build your own e-commerce store featuring merchandise from Amazon, and you will receive a commission on items sold there. That way you can feature only the items you want. You can even add a custom logo to your A-Store so it matches your blog. In fact, you can even make the store appear as though it's actually a part of your blog by using an iframe. You'll need to actually create a page template for your A-Store, then upload it to the main directory for your theme. Setting up an A-Store is relatively simple. To begin, you need to set up an Amazon Associates account. Log into your account and choose the A-Store tab at the top of the screen. Then you need to click Add an A-Store. You'll be presented with a pull-down menu that lets you choose a tracking ID, or you can create a new one. You should call it something that is relevant to your blog, or use your domain name as the tracking ID. Once your store is set up within your Amazon account itself, you will be able to customize the options, including hiding the category navigation and color scheme. You can also choose to rate your store, accepting only general merchandise so that potentially offensive content and material does not show up within your A-Store. Next, you'll need to add in specific categories based on the types of products you are looking to sell. Make sure that the categories you choose are relevant to your blog's overall theme. You can also add subcategories to main folders, so you can easily break up the product options and make it easier on your visitors to navigate and find what they're looking for. A-Store will provide you with the code to place within your blog's template. You can customize the A-Store so that it looks and feels like your website's overall theme, and then create an individual page on your blog that features your new marketplace. Another way that I monetize my blogs is through CPA networks. CPA simply stands for Cost Per Action, and whenever someone completes a specific action, you are credited for the referral, action, or sale. For example, if you placed a banner ad on your blog for a payday loan offer, and the user completed the payday loan application, you are credited with a set fee. Other examples of CPA offers are email submits and zip submits. An email submit is when a user has to simply enter their email address into a form, and for each user that enters their email address, you are paid between $1 and $1.50. There are many CPA companies currently on the market, all with different offers and payout options. For example, ClickBooth.com may pay you $1.05 for an email submit, and Hydra Network may pay you $1.25 for the very same offer. For this reason, it is best that you join as many CPA networks as possible, and then go through each offer and choose the network with the highest payout. I've listed below the most popular networks: Hydra Network, ClickBooth, Never Blue Ads, Azoogle, Max Bounty, Acclaim Network, AdDrive, Adfinity, AdFish, Adplosion, CPA Storm, Incentaclick, Instant Dollars, XYZ.com, and AKMG.com. It's not difficult to get accepted into a CPA network once you have a fully functional website and have begun to generate traffic to your website. If you are new to CPA marketing, simply state on your registration page that you intend to promote offers via pay-per-click marketing. That will help you get accepted while you continue to grow your website. Just make sure that you tie the CPA offers into the overall content of your website so that you are able to maximize conversion rates and overall profitability. It's easy to get caught up in saturating your blog with advertising and CPA promotions, But in order to ensure that you retain your visitors and effectively grow your blog's presence, you need to focus equally on the actual content on your website, updating frequently. Preferably 2 to 3 times a week when you are first building your blog, and then once a week once you have a decent amount of content to retain visitors. As your blog grows, you can begin participating in other high-paid methods of monetizing your blog, including through paid review networks. Here are the ones that I currently use. ReviewMe. At ReviewMe.com, payouts range from $20 to $300 per review. The ReviewMe program works differently than the pay-per-post one in terms of advertisers and webmasters choosing to contact bloggers directly rather than you browsing through a marketplace of offers. This service works best for those bloggers who have already begun to generate traffic to their site and who have developed a subscriber base of readers, since advertisers who wish to hire bloggers to review their website, product, or service are doing so with the intention of receiving exposure from your blog. Sponsored Reviews at sponsoredreviews.com. This site includes aspects of both pay-per-post and ReviewMe, in which you can browse and accept offers as well as allow advertisers to contact you directly with project offers. Blogsvertise at blogsvertise.com. Blogvertise is very different from pay-per-post and ReviewMe in terms of how opportunities are offered and completed. With Blogvertise, their system matches bloggers to available offers based on the type of content and ranking. BloggerWave at bloggerwave.com. BloggerWave can pay you up to $10 per post and has very few requirements, making this a great choice for new bloggers. Blogative at blogative.com. This is a super program for startup bloggers, as you can earn $5 per post regardless of your current traffic or how old your blog is. Smorty at smorty.com. This company will pay you $6 per post, with the payments increasing as your blog grows in popularity. Linkworth at linkworth.com. This company pays you 70% of all ad revenue generated from links, blog posts, and advertisements on your blog. PayU2Blog at payU2Blog.com. Very similar service to Blogvertise, this company will match you with similar market advertisers. Blogging Ads at bloggingads.com. This service is very similar to Blogvertise. Blogging Ads offers a flat, preset rate of $5 per post.